Wow, what a week it has been. Whew. I usually have pretty full weeks. Some would say busy, but I don't like that term very much. So I needed to do a getaway and care for myself and decharge. So stick with me through this video and I'll show you some of what I do to nourish and replenish myself while I let go of the tension and the fullness and the, quote, busyness. So first off, I had an appointment up the mountain, and after that I came to one of my favorite spots, backed into this really sweet, quiet, hardly trickling bit of creek that comes down this great rockway. Look at that rock ravine. So great. And then I headed over to the water. Now, if you can't let go of it all at this spot, you are really way too wound up. So I just come down close to the water, hang out with the rocks. There are these great ferns. 3 different types of ferns. I have to go into the naturist botany thing, don't you know? If you've looked at any of my videos on my channel, you'll know that that's totally my thing. So we have lady fern right here. We have sword fern. Another big sword fern. And, as I climb over carefully, maidenhair fern. I think it's my favorite, but so many are my favorite. And this great spot is just, it's restful, but it's got enough action that it can wash away lack of deep breathing, stress, tension, and then being accompanied by these big beauties here. Whew. I'll take it. I'll take it. So I stayed here quite a bit, just checking out the water, breathing, not moving, and letting it all go. Just take it all down the river. And next stop is back to my fabulous car. After my lovely time at the water's edge, I came to the back of my car, opened up the back hatch, sprawled out, and actually took a rest with the little tinkling creek as backdrop sound, and I dozed off. It was great. Then a little lunch and some writing. 3 journals, 1, 2, 3 that I brought. And then, in case I felt like doing a bit of reading, Braiding Sweetgrass, classic. You can tell I can't really do too much reading without tabbing. I haven't even finished it. It's just such a fabulous book. If you haven't read this, it's a must read. Robin Wall Kimmerer, Braiding Sweetgrass, Indigenous Wisdom, Scientific Knowledge, and the Teachings of Plants. Get it. You can get the link in the description, or you can get your own copy if you don't already have it. Anyway, just wanted to give you a little sampling of what I do to de-stress, regenerate, and start it up again. So for now, I'll say goodbye to this lovely, lovely spot of peace, tranquility, and power, and go back to the other part of my life. I hope you have spots of respite, rest, and regeneration. If not, get outside and find them, create them. Fall back in love with the earth. Fall back in love with the earth. Fall back in love. Fall back in love. Fall back in love with the earth.